Okay, let's talk plovers. Yeah, small birds that ground nest and have their young and they cut around the place and blah blah blah. Some are more aggressive than others, but you'll hear them do that squeaking noise. I don't know if you can hear it now, but then they'll fly right at you. Some of them turn away quite distance away, some of them get right in your face. So let's turn this around. These two I've seen before, really try and get as close as they can. So let's see how we get on with this. Ah. Right guys, we're going to leave this one here. Didn't do too much talking on it, just letting you see the beauty of the Northern Territory. So thanks again for watching this far. Please like, share, subscribe, just to try and grow the channel. And we'll see what else we can do out and about in the Northern Territory. Have a good one. See you in the next one. Bye.